Hey, what's up guys, it's Sammie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this week's video, as you read by the title, I'm going to be doing the Jojowahin or Totropahin game. So I had some of my fans or my supporters send me a list of K-drama actors and K-pop male actors. I have the list over here on my phone. This is pretty interesting actually. I wouldn't know what to say because most of them are like super sorry, it's very, unprofessional. Before we get started, I just want to let you guys know that I am doing an ongoing giveaway on my Facebook. The link of my Facebook will be down below. I am also selling BT21 lip tints, if you guys didn't know. The link to my Instagram shop will also be down below. The mechanics of the giveaway will also be on the Facebook post, so if you want to join, go check it out. I'm actually doing a giveaway with my friend Sheena. She is doing a giveaway as well, so we are partnering up and doing this huge giveaway. So if you want to see what you can win, go to my Facebook profile and go check it out. Let's get off to the video. It's a little difficult because most of the K-pop idols on the list are like all my favorites, so I wouldn't know what to say. Same with the K-drama actors, they're also most of my favorites. So it's a sign that my supporters know me very well, or they're very updated with like what K-dramas I watch and which groups I listen to. So yes. First one on the list is Kim Namjoon. So if you don't know who Kim Namjoon is, he's the leader of BTS. So Kim Namjoon, picture of Kim Namjoon. TBH, I think, make him like one of my friends. So Totropahin. Because, okay, I have a reason. Because one, June like gives the best advice, and two, he seems very fun and new. So that's why. If I were to have a relationship with Namjoon and it would go like really bad, I wouldn't want like to not talk to him ever again. So that's why I think I'd rather stay his friend. Next on the list is Kim Seokjin. Ooh. So Kim Seokjin, oldest member of BTS. This is so hard. Just a disclaimer. Everything in this video, like, is my opinion, so don't judge me for it. Also, Totropahin. Like, I love BTS with all my heart. I love OT7 so much. The reason why I want Jin to be one of my friends is the same reason as June. Okay, next is Yoongi. Min Yoongi. So he's also a member of BTS, second eldest member of BTS. Youngos, my little meow meow. Okay, uni, I would say. Oh, that's hard. This is so hard. I thought this was gonna be so easy, but no, it's really hard. I would say Totropahin. Next is Jungho-suk. J-Hope. Okay. J-Hope, Jojowahin. Why? Because he's very, very funny, and I like his sense of humor. And I feel like if Hobi was to be your boyfriend, like you would never be sad, honestly. Park Jimin. Park Jimin. Oh my god. Okay, Jojowahin. No questions asked. Why? It's Jimin. It's yes. So this is so hard. I feel so bad. Anyways, so yeah, that's my reason. It's Jimin. Oh my god. Next, Kim Taehyung. Okay, guys, he is not even on the level of Jojowahin or Totropahin. He's like husband material. So can I say that I want to get married to him? I don't even know how to say it, but in Tagalog, so I'm just gonna say it like I just want to get married to him. So he's like not on the level of like being a boyfriend or friend. He's like husband material. So Tay Tay is second to the youngest of BTS. He's also my bias, which is why that's my answer. Next is Jungkook. Jungkook, maknae of BTS. So Cookie. This is actually difficult. I actually thought about this even without like thinking of wanting to do this video. Like I've thought about it so many times because Cookie is my bias wrecker. So I don't know if I want him to be my boyfriend or not because like he's like my husband. So yes. But I feel like Cookie and I, we would vibe really well. So like as friends, that's why I'd say Totropahin. But a lot of people will obviously say Jojowahin because how can you not? It's freaking Jungkook. Like look at his face. He can sing. He's like multi-talented. That's why he's the golden maknae. Like oh my gosh, so much people like would fight me for what I said. But yeah, Jungkook would probably like Jungkook and I would probably be like the best of friends. Just because like I may be like a year older than him, but my mental is on the same level as like how old I am. If that makes sense. Next is Park Chan-yeol. Okay, so if you guys don't know who Chan-yeol is, he is from EXO, the group EXO. So Chan-yeol, my cousin's gonna kill me because Chan-yeol is her bias in EXO and she's like super in love with Chan-yeol. So I'm gonna say Totropahin because I mean I'm not like a super duper fan of EXO. Like I am not as big of a fan of EXO as I am of BTS. So I don't really know what they're like, but I super love their music. Like I've listened to most of their music, if not most, then some. So I don't really know what they're like unlike BTS. Like I know Chan-yeol, I think. Totropahin. Like I don't have a reason because like I said I don't really know EXO much or like more than BTS or as much as BTS. Next is Baekhyun. Okay, Baekhyun, can I just say, was my first bias in EXO and then I don't know what happened. I'll tell you later why. The name of my bias from EXO is actually on this list. He's right after Baekhyun. So yeah, Baekhyun was my first bias in EXO because of his visuals and his voice is like super duper good. Can I just say? He is such a good singer. Like I am stressed. If you guys haven't listened to Dropping by Super M, who Baekhyun is also part of, you should go listen to it and you'll understand why. Okay, so yeah, Baekhyun. Totropahin. Next is Kim Jong-in or Kai. He's also from EXO. Okay, so Kai was actually my bias wrecker in EXO. And then I don't know what happened. I think it was because of Long Shot. Why he like kicked Baekhyun out of my bias list. That sounds so bad. But yeah, Kai is now my EXO bias. I also don't have a reason because like I said, I don't really know like EXO much. So, for Kai, Jojowahin does. He's my bias. Next is Choi Minho. So Minho, he's from SHINee. Oh my god, he was also in Hwarang with Tae. And can I just say, he's the most beautiful human being ever. Jojowahin. Next is oh my.
Whoa.
Park Seo-joon, Oppa, number one Oppa of my life. Okay. What's wrong with Secretary Kim? Just stop. Okay. So Park Seo-joon, Oppa. Oppar. Park Seo-joon is Jojowahin. Duh, because who wouldn't want Park Seo-joon as their boyfriend? I mean, you guys have to watch What's Wrong with Secretary Kim if you haven't watched What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, because Park Seo-joon and What's Wrong with Secretary Kim is like, woo! Okay, next is, oh my gosh, this was also my number one K-drama oppa, Nam Jo Hyuk. KNJH, please. Weightlifting Fairy Kambocho. Lord. Okay, so Weightlifting Fairy was actually the very first K-drama that I watched ever, and I'm sure that was like everybody's first K-drama because like it was such a good K-drama. So he was my very first like K-drama crush ever. And then I don't know what happened. Like Park Seo-joon just like walked into my life and was like, "Hello, we have to look now." So Nam Jo-hyuk, duh, Jojowahin. I mean, who wouldn't? Like Nam Jo-hyuk, can you like see his face? Next is Park Bo-gum. Okay, Bo-gum, Totropahin. Why? Because you know, Taekook is real. I'm just kidding. That doesn't even like what's the connection? Okay, but yeah, Totropahin. Like I mean, he's very handsome, and I'm sure a lot of people like have a crush on him. But I just don't see myself with Bo-gum. Next is Oh Se-hun. So Se-hun is also from EXO. He's such a beautiful person. Like he's the maknae of EXO. So he's the youngest. If you guys don't know what maknae is, he's the youngest. Okay? It means youngest. Se-hun. Okay, my cousin also loves Se-hun. My other cousin loves Se-hun. So I'm gonna say Totropahin for the sake of my cousin because I love my cousin and like I respect the biasness. Next is oh my god. Next is Jackson Wang. Okay, Jackson, easy. He would be my best friend like Jungkook. Why? Jackson is freaking funny. Okay, can I just say he's like a Hobie with a mix of like Jungkook and Jimin for some reason. Because he's like he's like makulit na ewan. And he's funny without even trying. So I feel like I want a friend like that. Next is Bam Bam. Okay, Bam Bam, can I just say Bam Bam was also my first bias in God 7. And then he got kicked out by my bias list again. That's so sad. But I freaking love Bam Bam. Bam Bam's such a cutie. So I'd say Jojowahin just because he was my first bias. So the person who kicked Bam Bam out of my bias list is the one and only Mark. Why? Because love his face. I mean, that shoot balls. Amen. I freaking love Mark, so the Jojowahin because he's my bias. Next is Lucas Wong. Okay, freaking Lucas, can I just say? NCT Lucas, Super M Lucas. Okay, NCT Wavy Lucas before anybody comes to me. Bro, can I just say? He's so hot, okay? That's why he's like level Jojowahin for me. On the verge of getting married to him just because it's freaking Lucas. Okay, so yeah, Jojowahin, why? Why not? It's Lucas. Next is Park Hyung-sik. I would say, I mean, he's so pretty, but that's like Totropahin. I'm so sorry. Next is Mark Lee. Okay, Mark is my baby. NCT baby. He's such a baby. Oh, he's so cute. So Marky, I love him. Jojowahin. Why? Can I just say his part in dropping stress with that whole neck thing that he does? Oh my god, stress. Next is Choi Han-sol. Okay, for those who don't know who Choi Han-sol is, it's freaking Vernon from SBT, who is also my SBT bias, by the way. Oh my god. Freaking baby Leonardo DiCaprio is the most beautiful person ever. I probably said that for a lot of people on this list because it's true. So yes, Vernon, the Jojowahin, because why not? And have you heard him rap? Like, bro. Okay, next is Choi Soobin. Oh my god, baby Soobin. Soobin! Okay, so for those who don't know who Soobin is, he's from Tomorrow by Together or TXT. Oh my god, Soobin! He's a child. I don't want to go to jail. Soobin. Okay, just because I don't want to go to jail, I'm gonna say Totropahin. Except for Yeonjun, who is also next, Choi Yeonjun. Oh my god, he's my bias. And TXT. So Jojowahin because... Okay, by the way, can I just say Yeonjun also kicked Neng Neng, who is also from TXT. Neng Neng Hukai from TXT. Okay, Hukai was my first bias. And then he was like my original bias. And then I don't know what happened. Yeonjun dyed his hair blue. And then like, I don't know. I have a thing for like K-pop idols when they dye their hair blue for some reason. So Yeonjun, I would say Jojowahin. Hukai. That's hard. Hukai. Oh my god, I don't know what to say. Hukai. I'll say Totropahin because he's a child also. Nicest child, Bongkyu. Okay, Bongkyu is like the cutest little baby ever and I just want to squish his cheeks. Also Totropahin because you know what? Like I said, I don't want to go to jail. And same for Kang Taehyun. So Taehyun is also a baby. So yeah. Yeonjun is like the only one. I don't know why also. He's like in the middle of being my best friend and my boyfriend. It's like a 50-50 thing. Best friend because I don't want to go to jail and like the other 50% is going to Jojowahin because he's my bias. The last on the list is Kim Min-gyu. So if you guys don't know who Kim Min-gyu is, he's also from 17 from SVP. And bro, can I just say Jojowahin because have you seen what he looks like? Like, God bless me. Oh my god. Plus, he also raps on SVP. So if you haven't heard him rap, you should go listen to SVP. Damn son. That was the end of my list. So thank you to the supporters, or my supporters, who sent me the list of names for this video. Yeah, by the way, happy 10,000 subscribers. Oh my gosh. I never thought I'd see the day of having like double-digit subscribers on my YouTube channel. So that just means people like my content, I guess, and I hope I am entertaining. So yes, I hope we don't stop at 10K. Let us reach 100K. That's like my goal at the moment. So yeah. Like I said, no shoutouts this video, and I'm so sorry. Let's see if the comment section will work for this video, and if it does, please do comment down below, #SimplySammie with a yellow heart. And don't forget to answer the question of the day, which is, do you watch K-drama or do you like K-pop? If you do, comment down below the names of like your favorite K-drama actors and your favorite K-pop male idols. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please do give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell or that notification box when I post every Friday. And I will see you guys in a new video next Friday. Bye!